Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. This is a 2011 Audi A4 Quattro. The Quattro is all-wheel drive, and it's a 2.0 four-cylinder turbocharged. Has a 8-speed automatic transmission. Makes it perform very well, and it also gets great gas mileage, over 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This has the LED driving lights, sport wheels. The color is Quartz Gray Metallic with light gray interior. It has power seats. They are heated. Power moonroof. Here's a look at the factory navigation screen. Here's the dash. Dual climate control. Backup camera. Has LED tail lights and has backup sensors in the bumper. There's no dings. The paint is in very nice condition. This has fold down rear seats, so they both will fold down flat. Power seat on the passenger side. Here's a look at the real wood grain trim. And here's a look at the LED driving lights. Kind of a nice, nice touch. Gives it a real modern look. Very nice, medium-sized sedan. Very safe and performs very well and handles great. All detailed and ready to go. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call, and we'd love to tell you more about it.